Hi everyone, this is Victor from Sense of Space, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can quickly import volumetric videos, edit and publish to the web and WebAR using SenseXR. So first of all, when you make a new account at senseofspace.io, and here you will be able to download SenseXR and also download sample assets, and you will also have access to your hologram library, your subscriptions, and your account. Once you download SenseXR and you open for the first time, you can come to File, Import, and you can import several different formats. So for example, standard formats like Alembic and OBJ sequences, and also proprietary formats from several different studios around the world. And you can also import audio, so you can edit both volumetric video and audio at the same time. And once you import a volumetric video, they will all be sitting at your asset library. And then you can just drag and drop to the scene, or also drag and drop to the timeline to add to your scene. So here I have a pretty nice sample from Metastage of Tim Howard, and you can play your holograms by using these playback controls here.
Hi, my name is Tim Howard. I'm here at Metastage LA. Check out my hologram.
And you can also click on the hologram in the scene, and you can see that you're gonna get some 3D transformation tools, which are here on the right. So you can rotate, you can scale, or you can position the hologram. And you can see here on the right, you have the preview window for the augmented reality. And this preview window works with the same proportions of the phone screen. So you have a preview on the position and the size of your hologram. You can also change the background pictures here, and you can also add your own background. And then here you have your timeline. And the timeline works really close to a 2D video editor, where you can click the hologram that you want, and you can choose with the marker which frame you want to make your cuts. So let's say I want to make a cut at the frame 300 at 10 seconds. So I put my marker where I want. I come here to the right. I have this little scissors icon. I click, and now I split my data. I can also do that with the audio track. So you keep things synchronized. And in this way, you can do any editing that you want using the volumetric video. You can, of course, also duplicate. So now I have 2 volumetric videos in my scene. You can also load a second hologram, so you can capture 2 actors and then put them together in the scene and edit them together. And you know exactly what's happening in real time. I can also delete. So here's where you do all your editing on the timeline in a very fast and creative way. That's the whole idea behind SenseXR. And once you have your editing done and you are happy with the results, you want to see how that looks in the web and WebAR, you can publish to the web without any coding or any extra step. You can just come here and hit Publish to WebAR. This will open your Publish to WebAR window, and it's going to ask you for a name. So then we're going to say Metastage Team Demo. And then it's going to also ask hologram made by. This is a little text that will appear on the left corner. So let's say hologram by Metastage. And you can hit Publish. Once you hit Publish, it's going to start setting up your hologram and uploading to the cloud. And that's the moment when the hologram gets converted and compressed and Web and WebAR ready. So you're going to see now that now is uploading the hologram, and this is depends on your upload rate. When it goes to the cloud, the conversion and compression happens really fast. And so the speed that takes to process the whole hologram scene depends on your upload rate. That means that the better the internet, the faster it's going to be. And once it's done, the uploading and the hologram finalizes, you can see here that your hologram is now published, and it's going to give you the web link. And you can click to copy the link, and you can start sharing right away. And you see here that there is also this button called View in your hologram library. So if you click this button, it's going to take you to your hologram library. So let's check what is that. So if you come back to the website where you are logged, you have your hologram library here. So you can click that one. And this will load every hologram that gets published from SenseXR. So all your holograms that you publish from the software, they're going to sit on your online hologram library. So you can see here that we have the permanent link and the QR code. So for example, I have here Metastage theme. I have my permanent link and my QR code that I can save, and I can copy the web link. And if I visit the web link, it will also send me to the hologram page. So this is already there, and you can start sharing the hologram and also the QR code for the WebAR experience. So now we have there Tim Howard on the web. So let's play.
Hi, my name is Tim Howard. I'm here at Metastage LA. Check out my hologram.
So as you can see, the audio comes together with the hologram, everything completely synchronized. And we also have native adaptive streaming. So the hologram takes very little to load or just to buffer, and it's gonna play even if it's 5 minutes, 1 hour. And if you are on a 4G or Wi-Fi or 5G, we also have adaptive streaming. So this means that independently of your connection speed, the data will be adaptive to the connection speed. So this is really powerful and a really easy way to put your holograms on the web and also in WebAR. And another thing that I want to mention here is that if you go to your hologram library, you will see that you have this button that calls Open in Web Editor. So let's click on that one. And this will open a code editor. So you can come here and you can check the code behind the web player. So here's where we are telling the web player to run the hologram, and this has already the WebAR and the adaptive streaming data, everything happening behind the curtains here. And you can do all your WebAR, you can do a whole WebAR experience using this code. You can also upload files, so you can upload 3D models, images, videos, and you can also call other holograms. So for example, if I have on my hologram library, I'm now checking the code for Metastage theme, and I have a hologram 2 here. So I could come to the code and I can call my hologram 2 here into the experience of Metastage theme. So in this way, I can mix the holograms that I have in my library, and I can do user interactions. So for example, I can say that when my user pushes a button, it's gonna then change to my hologram 02, which is calling from my hologram library. So you can do user interactions, you can do a full WebAR experience using your holograms, and also upload 3D models and images for your whole experience. So that's what I wanted to show, how easy it is to edit the hologram, to import, edit the hologram using SenseXR, and publish to the web with a single click of a button. And once it's on the web, it's already running. You can share the web link, you can share the QR code, and you can also open the web editor and start changing the hologram and also mixing holograms together to create a full experience. So I hope you enjoyed, and you can come here to senseofspace.io to create your account and start playing. We also have a learning tab here where we have a user guide where you can check a lot of information and more detailed information on how everything works. And we will also be publishing tutorials on how to use the software, how to use the web editor, and to get everything set up for your WebAR hologram experiences. So thank you very much, and I see you next time.